After we finish installation and tuning and prepare to send back to the car owner, I just bring you to review some of the installation and in the interior. The outside as the OEM look when you come through the door, start from the left door. You will see that on the door panel, we'll use the Helix Compost i3 coaxial speaker installed in the speaker placement OEM. This is the left door. Another one on the dashboard, you will see the cassette tuner from Macintosh and the VU meter for the Macintosh amplifier installed inline and reline with the OEM look. Another door on the right door, the Helix Compost i3 coaxial speaker will be installed in the located of the OEM position, and the rear deck you will see the Macintosh component speaker had to be installed. Very nice and real of the interior. The rear deck has black leather on the back seat, and under of the back seat you will see some of the heart of the system. It has a DSP amplifier Isotech AR4U installed in the back seat to prevent the accident when the rear passenger when they come out from the cabin. Because of this car ROVER Mini has only 2 doors. You will see, so the back passenger when you come out would be release the front seat, and the back trunk has a precision nice design with the amplifier housing to cover with the back leather. And on the spare wheel we have the special cover. After repairs, you will see that on the chassis will damping with the damping material and the active subwoofer, mostly very nice with the OEM look. That is an overall installation from Audio Republic for this car. Very nice and neat.